Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. Recently, I got a question like, can a web developer become ServiceNow developer? How they can switch into ServiceNow? It's a very good question. And web development and people from web development background are looking to change into ServiceNow. So at the very beginning, I can say, yes, you are welcome. You can change into ServiceNow. You can switch into ServiceNow, because you have certain qualities of development, like you know the basic fundamental of programming because you are developing web, right? So while you transition into ServiceNow, the most important advantage which you have is programming background. So in order to learn ServiceNow scripting, you need not to go through whole programming. You just need to understand the APIs and all and how to use such APIs. Rest other thing is same because we have the same fundamental as other programming languages. How to use looping, how to do if else, how to do programming, variables, everything is same. Only the structure is different, which you can learn easily. So once you transition, you need to understand about ITIL as well, how ServiceNow work, for whom ServiceNow is working, how customers are using ServiceNow, okay, as well as ServiceNow administration part. Each and every component of ServiceNow you have to understand. That is not hard thing. You can easily subscribe to my channel and learn it, or you have ServiceNow development, documentations and various resources are there to learn all these things. So transition is not that much hard, but you have to work hard in order to get the things. Second thing, as you are a web developer, ServiceNow also doing a lot of web development in portals. We are using JavaScript, AngularJS, Node.js, and all such front-end things, front-end libraries in order to make the portals, ServiceNow portals, best looking and efficient. So web developers are very much needed in ServiceNow as well. And frankly speaking, everyone can contribute to development, but in order to be a web developer, you need a special skills. So you have that. That's why you are most welcome in ServiceNow community. So just get familiar, practice it, understand the processes, understand the look and feel of ServiceNow, and then you are good to go. But you have to do a lot of practice as well. So I hope this clears your doubt. And if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.